Good morning, children. Namaste. I hope you are keeping fine, well, with your happiness and studies. Health is also required here because nowadays you have to take proper care of your health, not to go out because of lockdown. But studies are also very important. Nowadays, online learning, online teaching is going on, and you can be very greatly benefited if you pay your attention very minutely, very attentively. Yesterday, uh, two poems I had taught you from the first book, First Flight. Two poems I had taught you. The two poems by the same poet, Dust of Snow and Fire and Ice. These two poems are what type of poem? Speak. Symbolic poem. Understand? And by the same poet, Robert Frost, American poet. Today I have decided to teach you first chapter from another book. Another book is Footprints Without Feet. There are two books. The first book is First Flight and the second book is Footprints Without Feet. And the first chapter in the second book, supplementary reader, that is Triumph of Surgery. A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. A Triumph of Surgery. Here actually the title is ironically used. What is irony? Irony carries double meaning. One meaning is spoken by the speaker and other meaning understood by the listener. A triumph of surgery, actually here there is no surgery. Title says here is surgery, but we audience, we listener, we readers understand there is no surgery. It is the extreme care given by the veterinarian surgeon, vet surgeon. The whole story of this chapter, or better to say, the whole story of A Triumph of Surgery centers around three characters. The first is Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady. Second is a pet dog, and his name is Tricky. And third is a veterinarian doctor, vet doctor, Mr. Harriet. What happens in the story you see here? Mrs. Pumphrey, a very rich lady, loves her dog very much. Her dog, her pet dog, Tricky, gets too much affection, too much care, and generally the dog is overfed every time. He is given extra nutritions, extra food, sweets, chocolates, Horlicks, eggs, wines. These are the things given to the dog. As a result, the dog had become abnormally fat, very big fat, and he had become so lazy, so dull that he was unable even to move and walk, not to speak of run, because he was given only affection, love, and food, different type of food, not proper care. Never physical exercise was given to the dog. This, you can say, was the carelessness of Mrs. Pomfrey. Pomfrey simply knew by giving food, nutritions, her dog could be very active and very well. But quite contrary to it, the dog had become very dull, fat, overweight, better to say, and inactive. Not noticeless, better to say. When the dog became very ill, sick, she also became very upset. She also became very sad. Therefore, she called for a vet surgeon, Mr. Harriot. When Mr. Harriot arrived there, he looked at the dog. The dog was quite listless, not active as I told you, and it was the fault of the dog's mistress, Tricky's mistress. What is her name? Her name is Mrs. Pomfrey. You may see the book. Once you read the book, you can understand everything. Mr. Harriot took the dog away with him, and going time you can see here, whatever things are given, the different things are given to the dogs by Mistress Pomfrey. Different types of seasonal coats, bowls, plate, dish item, means everything was given to the dog. So much she loved him. But when Mr. Harriot brought Tricky home in his surgery campus, he set the dog free with other dogs. There were other dogs also. He set the dog, means he set the Mrs. Pamper's dog free with other dogs. But other dogs did not like to accompany him. Why? Other dogs did not like Tricky. Why? Because Tricky was quite dull, lazy, listless, and not able even to walk or run. So they did not like Tricky. Mr. Harriot stopped giving Tricky any food for 2 days. He did not give any food for 2 days. Only plenty of water was given to Tricky. And when Tricky was seen, what he says, a little bit active, he started giving him some exercise, run on walk, and in course of time there was a great change in Tricky. In 2 weeks, Tricky became completely cured. And when he became completely cured, in between, Mr. Harriot informed Mrs. Pomfrey that Tricky was getting well. And Mrs. Pomfrey, again you see, started sending some nutritions like eggs, wines. These are the things sent for sent to Harriet for Tricky. But Harriet did not give anything sent by Mrs. Pomfrey. When Mrs. Pomfrey came, and when Tricky recognized his mistress, immediately bounced, jumped towards her, and she became very happy. Looking at her pet, she became very happy, and she thanked a lot to Mr. Harriot, and said it was a great surgery. But actually there was no surgery. It was a proper care done upon Tricky by Mr. Harriot. Now the story finishes, and you have to do one thing. After going through the story, you will underline the main important things, and then you will try to make some questions by yourself. Who was Tricky? Who was Mrs. Pomfrey? Who was where doctor or surgeon? Why was Mr. Pomfrey called for? So such type of questions you will try, and by this way you will enrich your understanding. I request, I advise, I order you, my dear students. If you know me well, then I suggest you that you should continue your practice so that at the time of examination you will feel very comfortable. It is generally said, when a soldier sweat in the time of training, he sheds less blood at the time of battlement. So if this is the time of training. If you sweat more, you will shed less blood at the time of examination. You understand well? Okay, thank you.